Welcome to my tutorial on how to motion track in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. Start by adding it to the timeline. Then navigate to the top left of CapCut and click on text. Add the default text. Adjust the text duration to match the video. Change it to a dot. Resize and position the dot in the center as a reference point for aligning the video. Select the video in the timeline that you wish to motion track. Ensure your cursor is at the start and go to the video basics. Add a transform keyframe. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want to start tracking the video. Adjust the scale and position to match the dot with the object in focus. As you make these adjustments, additional keyframes will be automatically added. Move the playhead forward, continuously adjusting the video to match the dot. To prevent accidental movement, lock the dot layer. More keyframes will be generated as you make modifications. When you reach the end point of your tracking, add a transform keyframe. Next, move the playhead forward a few frames. Adjust scale to 100%, position to 0. Once you've completed the tracking, select the dot layer you created and delete it. Now, play back the video. You'll observe the motion tracking in action, smoothly following the object. If you notice black bars in some segments, go to the video basics, scroll down, click canvas, choose blur to fill them. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.